Welcome back everyone, it's game time, and today I'm opening a 2017 box of Classics Football. This new version of Classics, the 2018, people are really digging it, and with good reason. And it got me thinking back to 2017, which I liked pretty much. I didn't pay a whole lot of attention to it. I bought it like I buy most new things that came out. And then I thought, you know what, I'm going to go back and revisit this to try to see exactly why people kind of poo-pooed on it, why it wasn't nearly as popular as this year's version. Now, I know one thing you're going to say right off is Chrome. Yes, absolutely. The 2018 version, the addition of Chrome and Chrome refractors was brilliant on the part of Panini. So that may be it. But the 2017 has a great rookie class. It has blank backs, color backs, short prints, you name it. I'm just not sure why people weren't crazy about it, but we're going to look at it one more time. One autograph, one mem card, 24, oh not 24, it looks like 14 packs, and they're kind of big, 10 cards per pack. Yeah, these boxes are crazy affordable. They are definitely priced right if you feel like revisiting this yourself. Take another look. Same as this year. This, you know, this had a lot of veteran players as well as rookies. I don't know why there wasn't love for this. The new version, one difference is these have kind of a, well, that's actually really glossy. I don't know, there's a different finish this year. One thing I may miss because I'm not going to take the time to look, but there are different colored backs. I will go through after the video's over and pull those out. Those are short prints. But yeah, there's not enough time. Nobody wants to sit and watch me go through all of those. Here's our first insert, a Richard Sherman and Patrick Peterson Classic Clashes, and this is, I think, a gold version. This is hilarious. I pulled this same sepia Dak Prescott out of the box I opened when this first came out. It's not numbered, but it is a short print. Nice Patrick Mahomes rookie. Charlie Trippy, Eric Dickerson, Deion Sanders, and Jan Stenerud. Is it Jan? I can't remember. Stenerud. Yeah, looking at these again, I like them. I still like it. I liked it the first time around. I like it now. Melvin Gordon, Emmanuel Sanders, Mike Evans, Amari Cooper /50. It's a blank back. Love it. I hope Amari has a good year. Record breakers insert Franco Harris, Donnell Pumphrey rookie, Derek Brooks, Mark Brunell, Bob Lilly, and Paul Warfield. Let me actually do this really quickly. Okay. Kaepernick, Tyrann Mathieu, James Harrison. Here's our Rod Woodson. I don't know if it's called gold or yellow. I think it was supposedly gold. Parallel. Janikowski record breakers. Reuben Foster, little Bama action there. Earl Campbell, Marcus Allen, Edgerrin James, Antonio Freeman. I had considered buying a case of this stuff so I could get the case hits, the buyback autos. DA Card World has the case on sale for dirt cheap. Ryan Matthews, Todd Gurley, Joe Hayden, Fat Filler, a Michael Strahan /99 Timeless Tributes. This year's version of this looks almost identical to this. Roethlisberger and Ray Lewis classic clashes. I actually like this year's version of the classic clashes better than the new. Travis Rudolph rookie, Dan Fouts, Curtis Martin, John Hanna, and LT. Blake Bortles, Derek Carr, Alshon Jeffrey, Malik Hooker gold rookie, Clashes, Kuechly and Matt Ryan. You can get parallel gold versions of the inserts as well. Tywan Taylor rookie, Bob Greasy, Terrell Davis, Bruce Smith, and Clinton Portis. Greg Olson, Terrell Pryor, Phillip Rivers, backwards, maybe this is the auto. It is Allen Robinson, so a vet auto numbered to 15. Good receiver there. Nice hit. I definitely call that a nice hit. SSP, faux show. Hines Ward, Super Bowl heroes. Jeremy McNichols, John Riggins, Chris Carter, Harold Carmichael, and Barry Sanders. Jordan Matthews, Von Miller, Mark Ingram. There's one of the insert gold versions. Aaron Rodgers, Super Bowl heroes, but gold. And there's the non-gold, Ray Lewis. Sweet Kareem Hunt rookie. Jerome Bettis, Joe Montana, Phil McConkey, and Jim McMahon. David Johnson, Devonta Freeman, Isaiah Crowell, a Derek Brooks to 299. Okay, so it's a red back. So I guess I don't have to go looking through the box. Apparently the red backs, I didn't remember they are numbered. So there you have it. The next level, Jameis Winston, Charles Harris, Terry Bradshaw, Charlie Joyner, Mike Singletary, and Jack Ham. Terrell Suggs, Tom Brady, Aaron Rodgers. Quarterback pack, Corey Clement gold rookie. The next level, Le'Veon Bell, Ardarius Stewart, Rocky Bleier, Kellen Winslow, Steve Grogan, and Jerry Rice. Should still have one more hit. After this, there's 4 more packs. Alex Smith, Jordy Nelson, Ezekiel Anza gold, and a Thomas Rawls Record Breakers gold. Idolize, Jim Kelly and Joe Flacco. Malik Hooker rookie, Kurt Warner, Torrey Holt, Michael Irvin, and I kept wondering if these were sepia, but I don't think they are. I'm not sure why. Some have the colored back and others look to be, maybe it's just they have the, like the current set has just the team name, or it says like whatever vintage or vet or something. Maybe that's the difference. Just that the vet players have this style background. I'm sure that must be it now that I'm thinking about it more. Steve Smith Sr., AJ Green, Khalil Mack. Classic combos, Dalton and Green. Very nice. To $199. That is a nice looking card. Same, you know, basic style as this year's, but this is just a particularly attractive pair there. Career colors, Randy Moss, as he went from the Vikings to the Raiders to the Patriots. O.J. Howard, nice rookie there. Rich Gannon, Blitnikoff, Ed Reed, and Charles Haley. Carson Wentz, Matt Forte, Ryan Tannehill, DeAndre Hopkins to 299, red back. Heath Miller, Super Bowl heroes, Corey Clement, rookie, Darren Woodson, Don Maynard, Donald Driver, and Paul Hornung. Jarvis Landry, DeMarco Murray, Matthew Stafford, Brian Urlacher gold, and Darrell Green and Josh Norman idolized, Desmond King rookie, Archie Manning, Lynn Dawson, Calvin Johnson, God I missed that guy, and Ray Guy, and the last pack. Adrian Peterson, soon we'll all miss this guy. Sad to think about. Anza, Sammy Watkins, idolized Bo Jackson and Julio Jones. Brett Favre, Super Bowl. Tim Williams, rookie. Brett Favre, Ray Lewis, Eddie George, and Lawrence Taylor. So let's see what we've got here. These are base cards. These are rookies. I did include the golds. So healthy little stack of those. These are the inserts and parallels. Quite a few. And the hits, which I think both are pretty nice. So in summation, at the price these boxes are at right now on DA Card World, there's a ton of value here. I know these cards aren't worth, you know, a fortune, I guess, because the price has dropped, but you're gonna get a lot of parallels. You're gonna get some, at least probably a couple of decent rookies. If you could pull like a Mahomes in the gold version, or you know, one of the good, like I didn't get Fournette, or if you get somebody like that with a red back, I don't know, there's a lot of value here. And there are those buyback autographs. I think those are 2 per case. I think, make sure before you quote me on that, I think it's 2 per case, and those are super cool. So yeah, if you're thinking about buying this and wanted to open something affordable and fun, this gets my vote. Everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking the time to sit through this video, and please give me a like and subscribe. Gonna have a contest when I get to 100 subscribers, and yeah, I'll be giving away a gift code, DVD, box cards, blaster box, but box cards nonetheless. And that's it. Hope everybody has a great day.